Survivor, eh?
Yes.
Like, with LAC,
Yes.
with the kids. Well, what exactly are we going to do?
Josh?
Huh?
Do you have any ideas? Wait, I've got it.
What?
Okay, so we'll get the 5 best from, like, Weasley. Like, just the 5 best from Weasley.
Whoa. Whoa.
What?
Sky.
Turn down.
No, hello. Okay.
Hold on, I'm having a breakthrough.
A breakthrough?
Breakthrough.
Okay. Care to share?
We could do everyone, like, each house.
Like 5 from yours,
Yeah.
5
from
yours,
mine.
and
And maybe
then
4 from yours.
5. What about 6 from Weasley? Yeah, 6 from Weasley because we just rock.
5.
Okay, maybe 5 each. And
What about the
then-
teachers?
What if we?
Yeah, teachers,
Okay,
teachers.
so you're blue, you're yellow, and obviously red just rocks. And then we can have green, which can be the teachers.
Yeah.
Oh, I think we've made it,
Oh,
guys.
yeah.
Okay, and then wait. What are we gonna do after that? Like
A battle.
a battle? Okay, so
Battle for the final. A huge prize at the end.
Yes. A big prize.
like what kind of prize? I'm gonna
A
get
monetary
excited.
prize, maybe.
A money?
What about a
Money.
PlayStation?
What if we gave them like a tree and okay no.
I know. The perfect gift. A guitar.
Nick's
Guitar.
guitar.
Nick Hanley's guitar.
His prized possession. He'd probably kill me if I even hugged it. Okay, moving on. So, for all of you guys out there that still don't understand about our Survivor, come see us, your family leaders. We'll help you out. But just remember, you need to collect as much money as you can.
So that you can have a higher chance of winning money for yourself.
So go hard. Do the best you can.
Now guys, just remember, go without for those without.
Josh, the camera's like there. So you need to be like here? Okay.
Let's try that
Let's do
again.
it again.
Alright,
Guys, remember, go
without
without
for those without.
without.
That was delayed.